Hello, 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 it's Dolly and I am back with the collective with Shannon, Kathy, Daisy, and sometimes Tracy and myself. This is where we take a collection or a manufacturer or a designer and we put together our own huge kit to work on throughout the year or purchased a grab box, okay? So that's what the collective is about. I know Kathy and myself are using crepe paper, mainly Maggie Holmes. I am adding a few other embellishments with this kit so that I make sure that I have stuff for titles and embellishing and so forth. And we'll go over this. I have about 35 papers here. So that would take us a long time to go through. But we'll briefly and quickly go through this kit. I just want you to be aware of what to look forward to on the third Wednesday of every month. And now and then, if I have time, because I came off of a couple other collaboration teams, that I may post more than just the third Wednesday of the month. Though I will, if I do additional postings using this large kit for the collective, it will have, you know, the thumbnail, so you'll be able to find me. Plus, if you're a subscriber and you have clicked on that bell button and then also said you will receive notification, then you will be guaranteed that you will not miss any videos that I am creating using this large kit for the collective. So we've got that one. It's the front and back. So I'll show you A and B. We've got the butterflies. We got the black cameras. Isn't that cool? We have this flower paper. And then this polka dot one here. Last year I had 2 sheets of that and I created an Easter layout with my little guy. Yeah, little guy. So here's the pink and here's this green hearts. That's the flourish yellow, peachy color. Love that side. Looks like I have 2 sheets of this one here. So we have this gingham and the flower. So I could do a double page layout. I have 2 of them. I prefer that side. Got this side. I have this side. I do prefer this side, but I possibly could challenge myself to use that side because I love the colors of that side. I'm not a real fan of that design. Oh, our houses are upside down. Love that. That's a nice lavender purple color. We've got a peachy pink stripe. Ooh, I love this side. We have a flower and some script words that say life is lovely, hugs and kisses. So I'm going to assume that was probably like a Valentine line. Sunny days, butterflies, realistic photos. I've had that paper before and used it. Look at all these colorful cameras from Sunny Days. And then parts of a world map. I like this side. This is from crepe paper. That's got these pinwheels. So Sunny Days, that was during the summertime. This is a beautiful cobalt blue. Here's, oh, I love this washed-out pink. Like that side too. I know it's coming across really busy, probably across the camera, but that's a pretty side. Love this paper here. I've got, looks like I got 2. So that gives me options. 2 hearts, like this one as well. Looks like I got 2 because I liked both the front and back. A blue polka dot Not a fan of this color. Love the flowers. You could just fussy cut that, but I'm not a fan of that pink against that mustard type yellow. I love mustard yellow, but not with pink like that. Just personal preference. I love the color of this green. I am not a fan of this side, but I do like that side. We've got a stripe here that says navy stripe. Love the tags on the side. Love that navy. Look, it even goes with these. Love that. Not a fan, but I could use it like that. Even like it against this. I can't think, would you call this a fuchsia, maybe? A purplish fuchsia. Got this side, like that. Love this. I've used this one before. I think both sides. This one, oh, that's cute too. Love it. This is just like a notebook paper type. Not a fan of that, but I could see fussy cutting that out maybe. That might be different. Black with white polka dot. Not a fan of those unicorn horses. Like the color. I love the color. I got the black and white. Here's another world map. Now that would be just crepe paper. Love both these. This is like 2017 paper. XO, I like that side. Actually, I like both those sides. Then we have this one. Got that one. I think I've used this one before a while back. Yeah, Good Vibes. It's 2017. So I challenged myself to use the other side. And then we have this one. Snowflakes. Beautiful. So that's my paper. And then I have a couple specialty papers. So that's probably going to play with your eyes. I love, that's a gold glitter polka dot. Now you probably got glare because I'm not taking them out of the package. This is a blue and it's raised. And it's gold foil on this side. But you can use both. And here we have gold foil again. And then you've got the opposite side, which you could just use that. So those are the specialty, and I'm missing one specialty paper that I need to find that is of flowers, and I have it somewhere. I know I have it, I just haven't found it. All right, chipboard that I have in my stash. This is what we've got left from, I think this is the Flourish collection. Does it say on the back? Does not, 2017, but anyway, I've got that. Then I have this one here, and that's Gather, and this is Confetti. So that I have those chipboard pieces. All right, and then I'm sorry if you hear a lawnmower. That's my husband deciding to pick up leaves. All right, I have the Maggie Holmes 57 sticker sheet. I have, and this were picked up at Tuesday morning about a year ago, Maggie Holmes sticker book here. All right, so I have these alpha words here. These are Dear Lizzie. This is where I'm pulling in some other products, but goes with that kit. This is Maggie Holmes, the green and that purple, and you got pink, and you got some of that blue, so that works out good. I'm bringing in some Spiegel Mom stamp sequins. Aren't those pretty? Then I have a lot of tags here in envelopes. And this came from the Willow Lane. I've got this word love. That's where I just got little bits and pieces. So I have a few tags here in a house. So then I grabbed this from One Canoe 2 that, I mean, I killed the kit when that came out. I think it was Saturday afternoon, but I had these two pieces, which I think will go great with this kit. All right, so let's see what else I have. I showed you that. I brought in. And then from close to my heart, I thought these shimmer trims would be perfect with this collection. I'm trying to figure out how so you guys can see this. Okay, here. So I have the julep, which is this one right here. Boy, I'm all over the place. I'm sorry, guys. That's the julep. Then I have this. They call this soft pink. And then black. And I have it in gold if I want to pull some more gold in. Then I have this sticker from Maggie Holmes. And then from Goldenrod, the same thing. These colors all go with that Maggie Holmes collection. And then I have these alpha words. So I have this one, here, this pink. And this is actually from a hip kit. That would go great. So look at, see? That purple, that pinkish goes. This soft green, like that. That's what I pulled as far as pastels. Then I have these word ones that came out with the Summer Days from Maggie Holmes. So I have that one. Then I have this one, which was, did this come out for Valentine's Day from Maggie Holmes, one of her collections, I think. So I do know, Flourish. I'm wrong, that came out with the Flourish collection, so I have that. And this is my third pack. I loved that collection. Then I have from Here and Now, and then from Pink Fresh Studio. So that is great right there for my kit for pre-words. That is my kit, and I have it all organized in here. I know that it's hard to see, but this is one of those IKEA boxes. All right, guys, I appreciate you all. Thanks for stopping by and watching my channel, and then also looking at my big kit that I will be using for the collective for 2020. All right, keep coming back. Be sure to be to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber along with the other ladies. So if you are not a subscriber of Kathy, Shannon, Daisy, Tracy, go subscribe to their channel. And until next time, have a great day, and we'll see you again. Bye.